All right. Now we're doing 8Q square in sum. Square in sum. This is by J. Hoffner. Complete the square, and 91% of the people like it. Complete the square sum function so that it squares each number passed into it and then sums the results together. For example, for 1, 2, 2, it should return 9 because 1 squared plus 2 squared equals 9. Awesome. All right, so on this one, we're going to be using first we gotta square these numbers, right? So to square them, we're going to be using this map over here, and the map method creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. So on here, array.one map. Here's array.one. X will be x times 2. So whatever element is going to be x times 2. So 1 times 2, 2. 4 times 2, 8. 9 times 2, 18. 16 times 2, 32, right? And so that's what we're going to do here. We're going to say number.map, and we're going to say x, arrow function, x times x. There we go. Easy like that. Now we've got to sum everything, sum all of these together. So we're going to use this reduce over here, which is the reduce method executes a user-supplied reducer callback function on each element of the array in order, passing in the return value from the calculation on the preceding element. The final result of running the reducer across all elements of the array is a single value. So basically it just sums it up. To sum it up, it sums it up. The first time that the callback is run, there is no return value of the previous calculation. If supplied, an initial value may be used in its place. Otherwise, the array element at index 0 is used as the initial value, and iteration starts from the next element, index 1 instead of index 0. So if there's nothing, if it doesn't have an initial value, it'll just start at index 0 and then skip to the next one. Perhaps the easiest to understand case for reduce is to return the sum of all elements in an array, right? So here's an array. It's going to be array.reduce previous value, current value, and previous value plus current value, and then whatever initial value here. All right. And it's going to come up with 10 because 0 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 is 10. All right, awesome. So now that we know that, we're going to say dot reduce, and we're going to say previous, comma, current, right? And now we're going to say arrow function, previous plus current, and then comma, and then for the initial value, 0, right? So let's test it out, see what happens. Nothing. Number is not defined. Numbers. Numbers.map. All right, cool. We're good. Attempt it. We're good. Submit it. All right, and I don't know what this is, but I don't know what that is, but let's look at our solution. I don't know why they did it like that, but best practices, awesome. And we very like it, and we'll see you next time.